Hello everyone and welcome to Math Bosses. In this video we are going to solve some conversion problems under Roman numerals. Now, to be able to solve problems under this system, it is important that you understand these symbols, the Roman numeral symbols, and why some of them are seen as special, like the ones highlighted in red. Now, if you don't understand any of this, I would advise you click on the link in the top right corner of the video to watch the video where I explain the concept behind Roman system. Now that you're ready, we move on to the easy ones. Now, I titled it the easy ones because they are more advanced questions that will be coming up in the next part of this video when I upload the next Thursday. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the notification when that video comes up. Now we take the first question. The current year in Roman numerals is... Alright, so I'm making this video in 2020, so I'll be expressing 2020 in Roman numerals. Please let me know in the comment section what year you're watching this video, except this time in Roman numerals. Now, to convert 2020 to its Roman numeral form, we have to first of all know the weight attached to each digit. Based on the place value system, we know that the weight increases from the right to the left, going from units to tens to hundreds, and finally to thousands. Now that we know this, we also know that this first digit 2 can also be represented as 2000, 0, 100 for the next digits, 2 tens, then 0 units. Now these two have no exact value and they are not of use to us for this conversion, but we know that 1,000 is represented by m in Roman numerals. That makes 2,000 2 m's. Then 110 is represented by x. That makes 2 tens double x. Therefore 20 can be written as m x x. Now the next question says that we should write 2709 in Roman numerals. Let's look at that. Now we know that this question is the same as having 2000 plus 700 plus 9. Now 2000 is the same as having 1000, except that we are having it in two places. That makes it double m in Roman numerals. Then 700 can also be written as 500 plus 200. Now we know that 500 is D in Roman numerals and 200 is same as having 100 in two places. That makes it double C. So 700 is automatically D C C. Then, and from our table of symbols, we recall that 9 is also the same as having IX. So to merge all this together, we have M D C C IX as the value for 2709 in Roman numerals. Now the third question says that we should interpret correctly 1091 as a Roman numeral. Let's look at that. Now to correctly interpret 1091 as a Roman numeral, we also have to know the weight attached to each digit. So we know that from the right we have units, moving to the left tens, hundreds, and thousands. So this is the same as having 1000, then 0, 100, which has no meaning, 9 tens, and 1 unit. Now we know that 1000 in Roman numeral is m. 0, 100 has no meaning. 9 tens is the same as having 9 times 10, which gives us 90. And 90 is always xc. Our 1 unit can always be represented by I. So when we merge all this together, we have mxci representing 1091. Now the next question is asking us to express MCMXXXIV in figure. Let's see how we do that. Now looking at this question, MCMXXXIV, we'll notice that there are points where the Roman numerals do not descend, like we can see here and here. Now, if you don't understand what I just said, I would advise you go back to watch the very first video to understand the concept behind this Roman system. Now, CM and IV, which are the points where they did not descend, represent separate numbers. For instance, CM represents 900 and IV represents 4. We have M representing 1000 and XXX standing for 10 in 3 places. This automatically gives us 30. So if we add all these values, if we add 1000, 900, 30 and 4, we get 1934. This is the value of MCMXXXIV in figure. Now moving on to the next question, I would like you all to tell me what your answers are in the comment section down below for this particular question, as I will not be treating it. And I will let you know whether you are right or whether you've made any mistake. Then moving on, finally we have the final question asking us to write 999 in Roman numerals. Let's do that. Now once again, to write 999 in Roman numerals, we also have to find the weight of each digit. So now having 999, we know that the weight increases from the right to the left. So this is units, this tens, and this hundreds. So this is the same as having 9 hundreds, 9 tens, then 9 units. Now we can also express this way, writing this as 9 times 100, which automatically gives us 900. Writing this one as 9 times 10, which automatically gives us 90. And finally, writing this one as 9 times 1, which automatically gives us 9. Now we know 900 is cm, 90 is xc, and 9 is ix. Now when we bring all this together, we have our final answer to be cm xc ix. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. For access to the slides, you can always visit my Instagram account, math_bosses, and don't forget to leave your answer to the 5th question in the comment section below.